Preparing you.
To recite.
1 minute, माताजी. अरे तो एको होएगा, इसको बंद करके आते. हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा. Yes, माताजी.
माताजी, ये भी वैकुंठ होइते श्रेष्ठ, who is good at? Divya Mataji is okay?
Yeah.
Would she take with me?
Yeah, Divya Mataji, you're free, no? Divya Mataji, she's not free. Valsala Mataji, there are many people, Mataji, many people know. Varsha Mataji.
Last time जो किया already
अच्छा.
recording में. Just otherwise आप हो ही. I'm not saying.
Yeah. Now we'll start with Pranati. Live is on, huh, Mataji?
On the auspicious appearance day of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, we are chanting the Pranati. Chandravat Mataji, you can follow me for chanting the Pranati.
Okay, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वती इति नामिने.
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिसिद्धान्ता सरस्वती इति नामिने.
श्रीवार्षभाननी देवी दयिताय कृपाब्धये कृष्णसम्बन्धविज्ञानदायिने प्रभवे नमः.
श्रीवार्षभानवी देवी दयिताय कृपाब्धये कृष्णसम्बन्धविज्ञानदायिने प्रभवे नमः.
माधुर्योज्ज्वलप्रेमाढ्य श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिद श्रीगौरकरुणाशक्तिविग्रहाय नमोऽस्तु ते.
माधुर्योज्ज्वल प्रेमाद्य श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिद श्रीगौरकरुणाशक्ति विग्रहाय नमोऽस्तु ते.
नमस्ते गौरवाणी श्रीमूर्तये दीनतारिणे रूपानुगविरुद्धाप सिद्धान्तत्वान्तहारिणे.
नमस्ते गौरवाणी श्रीमूर्तये दीनतारिणे रूपानुगविरुद्धाप सिद्धान्तध्वान्तहारिणे.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर की जय.
जय.
Krishna is known as Lion Guru.
धन्यवाद माताजी. हरे कृष्ण.
He has been so merciful to give us Srila Prabhupada as our Guru, and who is a Vishwa Guru now. Hare Krishna. We'll sing Vaikunta Hoite Shrestha, written by Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He's named as Vimala Prasad initially by his parents, Bhaktivinoda Thakur and mother Bhagavati. And because of his skills in his astrology, he's been awarded Siddhanta Saraswati. And with his bhakti movement, he became Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakura. So, Mataji, who is repeating after me? Valsala Mataji. Lalita Mataji, you would also repeat? Hare Krishna. This is a very rare Vaishnav Geet, which is not gone to many institutes, but then we had got this beautiful bhajan written by Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura, how he explains each place in Vrindavana, like is better than Vaikuntha. We are all aspiring for Vaikuntha, but then better than Vaikuntha is Mathura, and better than Mathura is that Vrindavan Dhama. And then Vrindavan Dhama, from better than Vrindavan Dhama is that Govardhana Shaila. And so slowly the thing goes to how Radhakunda is most auspicious place which we have to aspire to live beside, or maybe take a dip in Radhakund, because it is Srimati Radharani's. Hare Krishna. Let's start. Vaikuntha hoite sreshtha Mathura nagari Janamala bhilayatha Krishna Chandra Hari.
वैकुंठ होइते श्रेष्ठ मथुरा नगरी जनमाला बीनायधा कृष्णचंद्र हरि
मथुरा होइते श्रेष्ठा वृंदावन धामा यथा सधियाचे हरि रसोत्सव कामा.
मथुरा होइते श्रेष्ठ वृंदावन धामा यदा सदियाचे हरि रसोत्सव कामा.
वृंदावन होइते श्रेष्ठा गोवर्धन शैला गिरिधारी गंधर्विका यथा क्रीडकैला.
वृंदावन होइते श्रेष्ठा गोवर्धन शैला गिरिधारी गंधर्विका यथा क्रीडकैला.
गोवर्धन होइते श्रेष्ठा राधा कुंड तटा प्रेमामृते बसायिला गोकुलालंपटा.
गोवर्धन होइते श्रेष्ठा राधा कुंड तटा प्रेमामृते बसायिला गोकुलालंपटा.
गोवर्धन गिरि तटा राधा कुंड चढ़ी अन्यत्र करे निज कुंज पुष्प भड़ी.
गोवर्धन गिरि तटा राधा कुंड चढ़ी अन्यत्र करे निज कुंज पुष्प भड़ी.
निर्बोधातः रासमा केहा नहीं आरा कुंड तीर सर्वोत्तमा स्थान प्रेम धारा.
निर्बोधातः रासमा केह नहि आरा कुंड तीर सर्वोत्तमा स्थान प्रेम धारा.
वैकुंठ होइते श्रेष्ठा मधुरा नगरी जनमाला भीलायथा कृष्ण चंद्र हरि.
वैकुंठ होइते श्रेष्ठ मथुरा नगरी जनमाला बीलायथा कृष्ण चंद्र हरि.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Thank you, Mataji. We'll do the translation. The first one. Vaikunta hoite sreshta Madhura Nagari Janamala Pila Yaka Krishna Chandra Hari. So the first one, higher than Vaikunta is Mathura city, since there occurred the advent of Sri Krishna Chandra Hari. Then the next second one, better than Mathura is Vrindavana, the holy place where Lord Hari enjoyed the joyous dance of amorous grace. The third one, so better than Vaikunta is Mathura, better than Mathura is Vrindavana Dhama. Is Vrindavana, the holy place, and above this Vrindavana Dhama is Govardhana Shaila, that is Govardhana hill. Above Vrindavana Dhama is Govardhana hill. The lifter of the hill and his consort there did intimately revel. Now the fourth one, even higher than Govardhana hill, is the banks of Radha Kunda, Govardhana. Just beside that, the Radha Kunda Tata, okay, the banks of Radha Kunda, that the sweet heart of Gokula overfloods sweet love abound. The next one, who would select for his worship any other place disregarding this sacred pond at Govardhana's base? Fifth one, where he's saying, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur is asking actually, which place is better than settling, to worship our sweet Lord Krishna and his consort Radharani. Better than Radhakunda, there is no other place. Okay. So the sixth one says, such a foolish fellow surely can't be found. The highest abode of love divine is the banks of Radhakunda. Just by taking a dip in Radhakunda, we straight away reach Golok Vrindavana. This is what is the belief of our Vaishnavacharyas, and that is what is written so soulfully by our Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura ki jai. Hare Krishna. We will all chant once for our Vishwaguru Srila Prabhupada's Divine Guru Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura ki jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes, Mataji. What shall we do? Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Mataji, we can go off.